Iron Man. I will pledge to listen very well. I will pledge to sit properly. Okay, it's like your promise or your words that you're going to keep and make it happen. Understand? Okay, next. Sponge. Everybody say sponge. Again, pledge. Pledge. And sponge. What's a sponge? You don't know? Okay, sponge is like a piece of something that has holes in it, or sometimes sponge can be the corals in our ocean. We call them also sponges. Okay? Sponge is something that has holes in it, tiny holes, or sometimes the one that you use in cleaning your plates and glasses and spoons. Sometimes we label it as sponge. Okay? Next. Badger. 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 Next. Engine. Engine. Okay. What is the